Alrighty guys, today's video we get ballsy and decide to, test the Yamaha Kodiak a little bit, and we finally officially got her stuck, so yeah. What's this?
I've already been stuck in there. I've been stuck in there. I suggest going to the left. The balls go that way.
This one?
You got big balls.
On this side's where he went. It's like a wall right there.
Oh yeah, you ain't getting out of there. I couldn't get out of there.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Drag him out, huh?
Yeah, he's inching. I gotta unlock the outdoor shower for this.
That's the outside. That's a good side.
Back up and give it a little bit.
Oh yeah, back up, give it hell.
Okay.
Yeah, he ain't doing that neither. Man, I want to see him do this side. Yeah, he's good.
I got that on camera. Oh shit.
He was over there.
Where are you going? There's a tree there! Oh shit. Pull forward! Where the hell you going, in the woods?
2 hours later.
You're gonna hit a tree!
1 week later.
Just so y'all know, this motherfucker has a backup camera on this thing as well. So, yeah. A little more!
That's way deeper.
It don't look that bad.
No, it doesn't look that bad. Neither does that, but when you put your left side or right side tires in there, motherfucker, I have pictures.
If you say that's deeper, I'll probably sink the fucking thing.
Well, I'm really hoping what they'll do is they'll come down here with that excavator thing and throw some dirt in here and a little dirt in there and make it a little more reasonable. Yeah. And last year we came through that. We couldn't get through.
Well, that just happened. It's fucking pitch black. I got a tinted visor on. I can't see shit. I'm covered in fucking mud. We were just going for a late night fucking ride, and then a couple brewskis in, and this is how we ended up doing that. What the fuck is this? I guess going through another puddle. Ah! So yeah, I thought we were going for a late night fucking ride real fast before it got dark. And I didn't put my boots on, and now my shoes to ride back home tomorrow are fucking goddamn dressed. Be driving home with fucking socks on, I guess.